Have you ever wondered why a rainbow forms after a rain shower? Or how your smartphone's GPS knows exactly where you are? Welcome to the fascinating world of everyday science, where we unravel the mysteries behind the things we often take for granted. Let's start with rainbows. These beautiful multicolor arcs are not just works of nature's art, but also examples of light refraction. When sunlight hits a raindrop, it bends or refracts, and then reflects off the inside surface of the raindrop. As it exits the raindrop, the light refracts again, creating the spectrum of colors we see in a rainbow. Now, let's move from the outdoors to the heart of your home, the kitchen. Cooking is essentially a series of chemical reactions. For instance, when you're searing a steak, it browns due to the Maillard reaction, a chemical reaction between amino acids and reducing sugars that gives browned food its distinctive flavor. And what about that handy device you carry around everywhere, your smartphone? The GPS in your phone relies on trilateration from satellites to pinpoint your exact location. It's a complex process, but to put it simply, your phone receives signals from several satellites, compares the time it took for each signal to arrive, and uses this data to calculate your distance from each satellite. The point where these distances intersect is your location. For those of you with a penchant for hands-on learning, here's a simple experiment you can try at home. Take a bar magnet and place it under a piece of paper. Sprinkle some iron filings on the paper and watch as they align themselves along the magnetic field lines, giving you a visual representation of a concept that's otherwise invisible to the naked eye. In today's exploration, we've peered into the science behind rainbows, understood the chemistry of cooking, unraveled the workings of GPS, and even conducted a home experiment. It's clear that science is all around us, influencing our lives in more ways than we often realize. So the next time you marvel at a rainbow, remember, you're not just witnessing a spectacle of nature but also a demonstration of light refraction. When you cook your next meal, think about the Maillard reaction that's giving your food its delicious flavor. And when you use your phone's GPS, take a moment to appreciate the complex calculations that go into pinpointing your location. Science is not just in textbooks or laboratories, it's in everything we do. It's in the food we eat, the gadgets we use, the weather phenomena we observe. It's in our everyday life, making the ordinary seem extraordinary. So, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep discovering the science in your everyday life. Until next time, stay curious, stay excited, and remember, every day is a day of science.